work for us. See, all I do is let the junk do the work for me, and I put the ducks on the side. I'm gonna ease it on back. I got some things going on over here. I'm trying to clean up in this radio room. I'm trying to reorganize. I'm plugging XLRs. I'm unplugging XLRs, moving stuff around, sliding it from side to side. And I want to make sure that it stays on the 10-8 shelf. 600. I just want them mud ducks to know that they're not alone. 639 gone.
Hey, Chris, not a good one. Yellow Jacket, Bakersfield.
Yeah, 731. I'm gonna leave you hanging, man. Yeah, 731. I'll wave at you and back it on out. 639 gone.
What do they call it? The Razorback. I see more chickens up there. Hey, triple nickel. This is old Mr. Green. Hey, Pinto Bean, hey, you're working the dog, you're showing the grin on the band. I don't hear no feedback. You got feedback in your ear? Things, hey, I know they ain't coming on the air, Pinto Bean. I'm down. Can't just bang, walk through. Hey, Pinto Bean, hey, always a pleasure. Thanks for the bump down, Pinto Bean. It's Sound Grader.
And I'm going to do a playback on that, so you can hear how good your station's sounding.
639. To deal with what you're going through. Hey, yo. How the phone goes. Sing it to the mud ducks. I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Send me home, 'cause I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Now, it's 639. Coming to you live from Music City. I'm back on.
And you know how to take care of business? And I know how to take care of business. Bump it down on you later. Let the ducks have their fun before they gotta run. I'm Crack Quiet.
Oh, man, I can Hey, Pennsylvania, you cooking up a duck stew tonight?
No stack, no. Man, that was Mother Nature's crazy. Hey, 338 down there in Texas. I'm going to wave at you, man, before I jump on out. Hey, 338 in Texas. Short hop to you. 639 Arizona waving.
Next time we'll kill us a fat duck. We'll put it on the barbecue with extra habaneros and secret sauce. Pennsylvania, I'm down.
Well, 338, man, you're sounding good, man, and Mother Nature's doing her dance. She just had me downtown Music City, Tennessee, and then she pulled me back to Texas. I'm going to ease it on back. I'm going to let the local mud ducks have their fun before they got to run. Hey, 338 Texas, bump it down on you later. 7-3's to you and everyone around your stack of bricks. 639 Arizona, I'm out of the way.
1 or 2.